Hey, Black Pig Gardeners. We are going through the garden bed today and pulling out the purple potatoes. I am so excited to do this. I've been waiting the longest to get these purple potatoes out and see what my harvest is looking like. So let's not waste any time and go ahead and get started. Let's do it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so it's been a couple of months since I had the purple potatoes in the garden bed. I can't really remember which month it was. I know it was like around the start of the spring, so somewhere around April. But anyway, the leaves are going yellow, and that's just a tall tale sign that they are ready to come out. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull these out and show you guys what we got for this year. Okay, I pulled all the potato plants up, the purple potato plants up. So now I'm just gonna go back through the dirt and just look at the dirt and make sure everything is looking okay and making sure I didn't miss any other potatoes hidden in there. Alright, you guys, so that is it for our purple potato harvest. I am super excited about this harvest. I do wish that I had a little bit more potatoes with this harvest, but it's okay. It's our first time growing these potatoes, so to be honest, I am very pleased. But we'll see you guys on the next video. And thank you guys for walking through this with us. We'll see you guys later. Bye, gardeners.